Okay, let me fill it up though. Let me fill it up for you. You got it? It's heavy. You got it?
Alright, that's enough.
Just pour the whole thing in there. Just like this. And pour it in there. There you go. Alright. Now take this. Just pour it in there. Pour the whole thing in there. There you go. All of it. And do what you do is tap it on the bottom like this. Make sure you got everything, right? Cool. Now, you gotta shake this. Here, put your hand here. We're sifting it. No, you don't have to move your hand. Let me move this part. There you go. Hold your hand stiff. There you go. No, still. I gotta do it all.
Let's take off.
It does.
Let's take off.
Now you know why I be smiling when I'm making pancakes. Keep anointing me with flour. Why is that? Why you keep anointing me with flour? All right, now let's move this here.
I don't want to spill, see?
We're gonna crack our egg, right? Now open it up. Open it all the way up from the bottom. Here, here. Okay. Let's make sure there's no eggshells in it. There, this is the pumpkin. Here, let me help you. Oh, it came out. Let's get the rest of it. Let's put this over here. Let's add this. Pour that in there. That's the oil. All right. Put that over there. Now we gotta mix it. Let me start it and you finish it. Okay, you go here. Just one hand, yeah. No, just use one hand and do it. There you go. No, yeah, there you go. No, you can hold on to the bowl. Hold on to the bowl. Yeah, there you go. Stir it. Go ahead. Stir it. Stir it. There we go. Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it. Okay, now let's put this over here. Do is pour all that inside of here. So pick it up, pour it in there, all of it, all of it. Here, let me get, watch what you're doing because you're going over the side. All right, now we're gonna slowly incorporate this. Okay, this is called folding.
Folding?
Yeah, you're folding the mixture. See, it's still a little dry, right? So add some more milk. Wait, whoa, not all of it, just a little bit of it. That's enough. Let's fold it some more and let's see if we need more milk. See the color?
Yeah.
It looks like pumpkin to me.
It's orange.
Like a pumpkin.
It's orange like Halloween. You see, Daddy?
Well, we don't celebrate Halloween here, but still, okay, add more milk here.
Yeah.
Add the rest of this milk. Pour it all in there. There we go. Let's put this back over here. I'm going to slowly and gently stir this.
It's a porridge.
No, it's pancake mix. Pumpkin pancake
No,
mix.
porridge.
No, it's pancake mix. Trust me.
It's corn porridge.
No, it's not corn.
That's pumpkin. Daddy, that's pumpkin.
Yes, it is. It certainly is, my dear. Now we're going to move this over here.
So good.
What did you do?
Pop in there.
Mm-hmm. You want to see the bubbles popping out?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next thing we want to see is the edges browning a little bit, okay? It's okay, it's not going to splatter.
No,
It's not splattering, honey, but with you was a Jamaican.
it's bubbles.
Are you a Jamaican or a Jamaicant?
Jamaica pancake. Look. Look.
Yeah, see it's
bubbles?
starting to rise. Yeah, the bubbles are starting to appear.
Yeah.
All right.
It's ready for bake. You want it? Oh, wow! It's so colorful. You make some donut, Daddy?
Mm-mm. This is pancake, baby. Pumpkin pancake. Okay, but you gotta step on the chair, baby, or else you're not gonna be able to do this. Okay? Oh.
Yes. Ooh, hot. It's hot. Daddy, look at my. Sorry, you see, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! That's big. Flop it. Flat it up. Flop it up. Happy. Hubby.
Oh, too much on it? Hold on. Good? Baby.
Tastes good.
Oh, great. This is sweetheart.
Taste.
Tastes good?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. We'll clean up later. I'm glad you, I'm glad you like it.
Whoa.
Oh, okay. Now I need to make some eggs, so why don't you